In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted chat in Telegram. Let's start with an important clarification. Once you permanently delete a chat in Telegram, there is no built-in way to fully recover it from inside the app. Telegram is designed with privacy in mind, which means deleted messages are usually gone for good. However, there are a few situations where you can still bring back a chat, or at least part of its content, depending on how and when it was deleted. I'll walk you through what you can realistically do and how to avoid losing chats in the future. First, if you've only just deleted the chat, look for the small undo option that appears at the bottom of the screen right after you confirm deletion. This shows up for a few seconds only. If you tap undo in time, Telegram will instantly restore the chat exactly as it was. So if you ever delete something by accident, act quickly and tap that button before it disappears. If that option is already gone, the next thing to check is whether the chat is simply archived, not deleted. Sometimes you might think a conversation is gone, when it has just been moved to your archive. On the main chat screen, swipe down to reveal the archived chats folder at the top. Open it and scroll through the list to see if the conversation you're looking for is there. If you find it, just swipe left on that chat on mobile, or right-click and choose Unarchive on desktop, and it will return to your main chat list. Now, if the chat is truly deleted and not in the archive, you're limited to recovering it from outside Telegram. One option is to restore it from a device-level backup. For example, if your phone regularly backs up app data, including Telegram's local storage, you might be able to restore your entire device or app data from a point in time before you deleted the chat. Keep in mind, this can overwrite more recent data on your phone, so only do this if you're comfortable rolling back to an older backup. Another place to check is any exported chat history you might have saved. On Telegram Desktop, there is a feature that lets you export chat histories to your computer as files. If you've ever done that for the chat you deleted, you can open that exported file to read the previous messages, even though the chat no longer exists in the app. To prevent future loss, consider regularly backing up important conversations using Telegram Desktop's export feature or by saving key media and messages elsewhere. That way, if you ever delete a chat by mistake, you'll still have a copy of what matters most.